Hi guys, it's Josh from ITS. The ITS sale is now on. You've got until the 16th of March to get yourself online, on the phone in one of our branches to take advantage of our huge range of fantastic deals and offers. But what I've got for you today, what's on my table is this. It's a brushless Makita twin pack. Have a look at the stars of the show. This is the DHP485 brushless combi drill. It has a 2-speed gearbox, a 13mm keyless chuck. Its brushless motor can generate up to 50 Newton meters of torque. You got the job like for reverse as you would expect. Now, if it's power you're after, look no further than the DTD153 brushless impact driver. It's small, it's compact, it's lightweight. It can still produce up to 170 Newton meters of torque thanks to the tiny little compact brushless motor in there that is ferociously powerful. Both of these tools come with a 3 Ah Makita battery with indicator. You can tell at a glance just how much juice you've got left. Should you run out of juice though, do not panic. You get this, the DC18RC rapid charger. It will charge them batteries from dead to full in only 22 minutes, so absolutely no time at all. If that wasn't sweet enough for you, we've got a sweetener. This is a 101 piece Makita bit set, okay? You got the drill bits there, brads, HSS, masonry bits, you've even got flat bits. You come down here, you've got screwdriver bits, screwdriver holders, a spirit level and hole saws. It's a fully comprehensive kit that gets you straight out the door, ready to hit the job site as soon as this parcel lands at your doorstep. To keep all your tools, your batteries, your chargers, your bits set nice, safe and secure, we have this. It is a canvas tool bag, huge capacity in there, and it even comes with a set of dividers, so you can choose just how you want to set up your system. Now, all these bits individually will come to about $329.99 plus VAT, but because it's in our sale, you have until the 16th of March to get online, save yourself £100 and get this kit for just $229.99 plus the VAT. $229 plus the VAT gets you the bit set, the combi, the impact, 2 3 Ah batteries, a fast charger and a bag to keep it all in. This deal is not going to hang around, neither should you. Get yourself online to its.co.uk, get on the phone, get in store, get this in your basket before it goes.